The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Happy Monday, fellas. It's going to be a crazy one today. Trade accordingly. Gotten some emails that crude may now no longer be tradable on some of the platforms, which is fine. I'm not sure that that's accurate or not. If anybody knows conclusively if any of the prop firms have stopped trading crude, please let me know. I did not get any emails from Buell Knox, Take Profit Trader, or Tradeify, but I did get a few emails from some of the members that said they are under the impression that crude is not tradable. In any event, guys, good morning. Volume is high. We are currently at 200 and call it, well, now 3,000. Your crude was up 940 on longs only. That's funny. I ran longs only and I am at max draw. Interesting. That's awesome. I'm down. I'll show you my totals in a second. 203,000 contracts, guys. NASDAQ's going to be wild. Wild. I may watch, instead of NASDAQ, we may pay attention to YM or ES. Hang on 1 second. Let me put this on. There we go. I think NASDAQ's going to be out of control, at least for a while. Delta's down to 1,400. We were darn near 4,000 on the negative delta at one point overnight. Markets opened up and were down 400, and NASDAQ was at least. Dow was down 1,000. They have managed to claw back about half of that last I looked. Yeah, Dow's down 550. ES was off 100 and change. It's now down 70. NASDAQ's off 259. Russell kind of taking a beating off 44, down 1.8%. DAX is off 300. I don't know that, this doesn't go up and get gap fill, but I'll show you charts in a minute. For me in the overnight, and I ran crude on longs only as well, I'm down 1390. So I'm done with crude for the day. I'm not even going to attempt. Maybe I will. What the hell? That little Ninja Renko is just getting rocked and rolled pretty good. I would have thought longs only would have worked, but I ran longs only and did not work. So gold currently up 800. That's what I set my goal to last night was 800. So it hit daily goal, but gold is definitely tradable. It is back and forth. It's chopping around a little bit now, but I'll look to turn gold back on and try to offset some of that crude loss for me. I do have the 3 minute on. I've not taken any trades yet this morning. Starts at 7. There's nothing there, nor any trades yet on the Heiken Ashi. If you guys are here on trial, ES and YM, we won't trade until market open. So I currently have nothing running. We have no news today. We have no scheduled speakers. I didn't see anything of any interest for today. Some Middle East group agreed to release a bunch of oil reserves at 4 a.m. Yeah, so there's no daylight savings in Europe. So you guys close at 12:30 now? for the next 2 weeks, Patrick. Is that correct? Yeah, so Rana's up also in gold, down in crude. I mean, I expect everybody is down in crude. That is a very small Ninja Ranko, and crude was volatile as hell, to be expected. But I did think that longs only would be the ticket. I was wrong, at least on my end. So I'm down. Let's uh, let's get on with it. That's all it takes, man. One winner. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Can't even get first. There it is. First target hit. Took a reversal. No, I'm sorry. Took a second long. All right. Yeah, got some back. Slow enough to trade now. Gold looks like we can probably get to 25, 22. Now crude took a short. Come on, keep running. Watching this 32.50 area. That was a reversal trade off that pivot. And it gives it back. Some sellers creeping in. All right, I'm going to try this short, guys. Immediate bounce. Come on. Come on. Come on, rip it. A little bit of support coming in. Might want to take your risk off. It should push down to 05. I may sell this again. I'm going to sell this again. Nah, I'm late on that. It should come to 05. Come on, push down. Come on. Oh, you jump. Come to 05. Let's go. I'm at 7.5 for a final. 5 is going to be some support. Got it. If this area here breaks, if we get below this 97, 96, we probably come 45. Watch this 5-minute trend line. We could bounce here. This is the last area of support. I have a 325 target. 325. I just don't want to get sucked back up above yellow. I think she's coming. I'm waiting for this 5-minute bar to close. Sitting on a 15-minute trend line though. All right, I'm going to short this again. I think it's coming regardless. It's holding that damn trend line on the 15. Come on. Bust it out, big guy. Some support right where we're at, 84. All right, got one. I'm going to close this out, guys. I closed it out. It's at 15-minute. It's coming anyways. It's coming to 40, 45. Could come to 25. Come on. Give me 65. I'd be happy. There we go. Come on. Bust it out. 65 is going to be a little support. But I think we can come 25. I'm short in a funded account here. This is day 3 of 5 that I have to trade. Come on, keep coming, you rat bag. Come on. I'll take that for now. This should come 65 and then 45. There's a 38 target as well on the 60-minute. We're holding this pivot. New 15-minute bar coming. There's 65. If this breaks, we're coming to 325. I think we're coming. That's where we're coming. 37. Here it comes. Now it's done. There's some liquidity around 39.40 and a target at 325 if anyone is still short. No momentum. Oh, wow. How'd they do in the second game? They lost? There's target one, guys. Trails kicked in, so that's it. Now we've actually got a short. The first trade was an iceberg order. It's a little too slow for my liking. Out. It's a little too slow for my liking. While I was on break. Yeah. So we had a we had a short on the iceberg order, which was a first target winner. We had a subsequent short, which was actually a bot short, which was a loser. We then got this fair value gap long, which looks like uh, both targets. So remember, I'm using double contracts. So on that second loss, this is 4 contract trade. So 3 minute is now up 535. Daily goal is in. So I'm going to reset it, change accounts, and start again. All right. They're going to go up and get this damn gap fill. Look at this monster go. We actually have a green delta. They bought back everything. I told you, I thought we could go up and test the breakdown level. 542 is the breakdown level. I think we go there. Delta's positive 150, 60. I did miss a short, but all right, guys. Breaking structure on the 3 minute. Got a short on the YM. NASDAQ coming down. Looks like they're rotating. Missed target looks like by a tick. I'm just letting this shake out, guys. Come on, hit that target. We missed by 2 ticks. Just got it taken out. Well, not yet, but I think it gets hit. Looks like we're trying to go up across the board. ES is a little slow, but yeah, it held. Literally, I think by a tick. Missed target by 2 ticks. Held stop by a tick. Held that damn minor support again. There we go. Got target 1 on the YM. It's got to break. It's got to break down another 10 ticks or so to get that trail stop engaged where I've got it set. All right. Now we're coming down. Not really. I'm going to short this ES. It could be on a while. I think we're coming back to 82 on the NASDAQ. There's a high volume node right here at 30. If it breaks, 82 is a target. Well, they're struggling to go. They're struggling to go up. Here's coming first target for me on ES. There we go. There we go. YM trail stops engaged. ES was a manual trade. 275. All right. Can't say I like longs, but I've got to get below '05 for this to crater, is what it looks like. NATO said there's a missile headed toward Turkey. My daughter just left. She's in New York now. She's there till Thursday morning and then flies back to Turkey. I keep hoping they'll close that damn airport and she can't get back. Anybody take the ES short? NASDAQ's just chopping around for me. I got nothing. Anybody short ES? Delta's negative 250. It's nothing. Okay, guys. We're coming down. We're coming to 82. That would be target one. We got 82 if anybody took that short. Now we're coming to 65 again. Delta's 300 cars, guys. It's really. I'm waiting for this 3-minute bar to close. I'm sitting on a little bit of support. I get this 15-minute trend line again, but I do have hourly targets. 340, 293, and 231. Okay. Up 1,000 on that account. That'll be automated tomorrow. So I'll have this tomorrow. So this would have taken this short here. It would have shorted 76. Coming down, guys. There's 65. Looks like we have a trade here. Okay. On the 1500 tick Heikinashi. First trade was a losing trade on the pullback. It went, but the stop, yeah, down 345. Got another short here if anybody wants it on the E. Oh, no, never mind. I just didn't scroll back. We're coming down to 45 on the NASDAQ. I'll sell one. Let me get this off. I'm looking for about 200 bucks. Maybe 250 if I can get it. 50 is a little bit of support. We're coming down to 25 if we get below 50. Holding this 15-minute trend line. Delta's 200, guys. There's not a lot of sellers here. Come on down. All right, I'm going to sell one. I just sold one. That would be my target, 50. That should give me enough to pass this evaluation, which I started on Friday. Come on. Oh, you turkey. Come on. Just chop. Just frickin' chop. I don't think it's long, but come on down. Let's go. Oh, they cooked me. I'm watching it on a 1 minute. It's just up and down in 1 minute bars. Come on, let's go. Come down to 30. There's nothing here. It should come to 45. I don't know why it's holding this. Come on. Come on. All right, got it. All right, guys. This should be a past evaluation, so I'm going to change accounts. We're short here on the, we're short on the YM too. Not paying any attention. YM's over. Nothing on the Heikinashi. Nope. ES is long on the bot. This is the fuck at target. Oh, short on the YM and long on the ES, which looks like it's going to get hit. YM is done for the day. It's at daily goal plus. Nice job, Paul. Really ugly price action. Okay, done on ES. YM is done. As soon as that takes that trailing stop, it's done. Yeah, or hits that target. Either way, it's done. It's over daily goal. 870 and done. I mean, if you guys are going to trade funded accounts, I would say it's the YM. All right, guys, I have to change this account out, so give me 1 minute. ES is long again. Double the contracts. So this either gets target or it's max daily loss. Got target. Okay. All right. It's a clean eval. Let me change this other eval or this funded account that I traded this morning. Okay. Here's a 5-minute. I mean, we're shorts. We should be shorts, right? I'm going to short this and try to get it to 45. I'll take one at 51 and see if I can get one to go. Come on, let's go, turkey. Come on, 45 is the target. Let's go. A little more press. And then 30. Try for 32. Look at this. Added a third. Still can't get a target. Come on, give me that target. Get one off. This is garbage, fellas. Got one. Got two. Come on, give me 30. I'm at 32. Come on, fall. Let's go right there. Come on. It's got to break there. There it is. Should get target if you guys are short. Got it. 1280. We should start working down to 292. All right, guys. This is gone. That liquidity. All right. This had a trade. It's gone even. It's even on the day. Short here, got money. We have, it was a naked trade. See, perfect example. We had a naked order and it closed. Small loss, but a naked order close. Delta's back up to 400 and change, negative. I'm going to sell one now. I got to get below 30, and then we can start thinking about VWAP. I think we're going to probably head to VWAP. I'm going to sell one. This should break down now to 91. It's going to want to hold volume point of control. So if you're taking these trades, trade small. Delta spike to 650. That's just a bounce here. If it breaks below 38, I'll add one. If not, I'll get ready to close this. Below 38, I'll add one. Come on. A little bit more. Try to get one off here. Got one. What? I moved my damn target. Got it. Come on down. Still holding one. I was trying, thinking I could trade around this. Apparently, I'm wrong. If this comes down below 50, I'll add into it. If not, I'm going to have to take the beat. Below 50, I'll add. Nah. All right. Got me. We're right back into that sell zone. I'm going to short right here. Nope. Got me. Come on down. Come on. Come on. Got one. I may not get anything else. Now fail. You got to fail here, obviously. There it is. Come on. Guys, there's no smooth move here. There's no smooth move. And down. You son of a bitch. You should have been trading PAs when I was trading PAs. Have you have you traded any PAs? Anthony, have you traded any PAs? Yeah, listen, at this point, my advice to you is trade. I mean, it's great that you're green on 4 evaluations, but the evaluations aren't going to pay you, right? And it doesn't do any good. You've got what, 5 or 6 PAs? You need to start now getting those to pay you. I would sit tight now because we're just chop. I'm going to short this. I shorted here. Come on, break down. Still won't break down. There we go. I'll take one off. I took one off. Took two off. All right. I'm flat for now. Not an easy trade this morning, guys. So, maybe we get rid of Europe. I don't know. Or this thing, feathers out, but just trade cautiously. I've traded 2 PAs. I'm looking to trade another, but we still have to deal with 45. This 5 minute is wedged. If we move back up to '09 area, I would trade a PA up there personally. Otherwise, this is just much ado about nothing at this point. We're holding support here at 13. That's what's left. Could be building a bull flag. I don't know why we would, other than to go get gap fill, but they got to get Europe somewhere, either longs or shorts. They got to get out of this chop so they can trap them. This on the right, my dom on the right is a PA. Now, again, I've got enough that if I take a hit, it doesn't matter to me. So trade accordingly. I mean, if you look at your 3 minute, if you look at your 3 minute, I'm going to sell two here. Let me see what I got. 2 minutes left. All right, I took a quick short, probably a little late on it. 93, 10 handles late. I added one. See what I'm saying? I could get burned on this, but if I lose it, it's unimportant to me. If it drops back down, come on, drop down. Yeah, gonna blow. Gonna blow PA. So I said, trade careful. I have so many with Buell it doesn't matter. And even if I blow one, it's irrelevant because I'll just replace it tomorrow. We're going back up. We're going to 79. This is a Take Profit Pro. We're in the middle of the opening range. Let me go to a 1 minute. I've never had that. No. Disable it and re-enable it. That was crude. I turned crude on and it went long and went nuts. ES as well. Look at this cell. Brandon, I don't know. All right, guys. ES caught a bunch of trades here. Up 8, 12.50. Stopped. Done for the day. The only thing trading now is going to be NASDAQ. That's ridiculous. Oh, RTY. I don't know anything about it. I've never traded it on the bot. It looks like we're coming back down to trying to come to 325. I don't know what the hell is up with this price action. But it's pretty ugly. I'm looking for a 1 minute close below 55 to get us to 25. Should come to 302. Nothing stopping it now. Take profits as you see fit. Come on. Let's go. All right. 1 minute bar closed below the opening range low. We could go back up and test 54. Look at this crap. This should have been a no brainer down to VWAP. All right. I'm flat. Should have been a no brainer. And then 94 below that. I'm going to short this again. I'm going to short this again, guys. Give me a wait. There we go. All right. Let me get one off here. Whoop. 24. I'd like to get one at 02 and one at 95. Look, I can't even get a damn target. I lost 8 on something. Look at this turkey. Come on, break this. There's nothing there. Higher lows. I'll be out in a second if this doesn't break down. Come on, one target. What a royal pain in the neck trade this is. I'm flat. This account's going to end up blowing. Trailing draw is going to catch up. We're not going up. I'm going to short this again. Not yet. Back above opening range low. That 5 minute, there was nothing here. Nothing to stop it. Try this one more time. Guys, it's just flirting with the same, 30 handle area over and over and over and over and over. It doesn't want to break down. It doesn't want to break up. Got to get below 40, 41 here. And, again, I still think VWAP is in the cards, but if I'd probably be better suited trading with a ATM. Now I'm dead. Blue. Blue and eval. I'll sit tight for a while, guys. You guys are here on trial and you haven't heard me say it. I do not care about evaluations. They're useless. They are useless. Unless it's paying me. I mean, look at this 3 minute here. There's no longs. And fails, trying to fail again. Oh, let me, the Haikanashi. I mean, may get target. Oh, got target. Now let's see if it can go up and get that other target. Trail stops in. Hit target. Come on, big guy. All right, baby. Daily goal's in. Daily goal is in. Rotate them accounts, boys. All right, guys. I am going to try a short here. Right up around this 95. I'll sell 91. If it gets there, I'll sell 91. Positive delta, 700 cars. So they're trying to get this bid. All right, there's a small short. It's not backing off. They're trying to push this through that value area high. I'd like to see it pull back 10 handles. There we go. No, no 10. They're breaking this out, guys. They're trying. They're gonna run this up. They're gonna get that damn gap fill today. We're at 875 on the excuse me, 875 on the delta. Virtually no pullback here. Now we can't even get a 10 handle pullback, which is ridiculous. There we go. Well, I had it. Come on down. I lost 50 bucks. I was up 1200. I lost 50. I still think this is a damn short. There it is. Should have held that 30 handles on 7. This is probably a couple of candles before it breaks out and goes, and I think we'll go get gap fill. Next target up looks like 525. I have a 540 also. That's the breakdown level. That's going to be the make or break. Here comes the push. I still think that this could pull back here. I think it's still too soon to blow out. 900 on the positive delta. Oh 06, so that's moved up now. No, 08. That's value area high now. Not enough oompha to get through it, but we're pretty damn close. The next 15-minute bar is coming here, and I think this is going to do it. Don't get caught short. Here we go. Ripping them out. Writing checks and snapping necks now. We're going to yesterday's low. For you guys in the LF, I will get that done on a reversal. Heading to yesterday's low. They're going to get this gap fill. Then we see if we get flat on the day where we go. We're at resistance. I'll show you. That standard deviation here, 75. Delta's 1100. Guys, give me 1 minute. right, guys. All right, let's do totals. Call it a day. We have education coming up here. I got a little get back on crude, down 630. Gold is up 800. I did not run it at all in this session, so it's where it's finished. The 3 minute hasn't done anything. It took that one naked, trade with a naked order and closed the trade. Currently down 160. However, the first eval was up 595. So we'll call that 595 minus 160. We'll call it up 435. The 1500 tick Heikinashi up 605. ES up 812.50. And YM up 870. So the daily total for a somewhat unattractive Monday, 435, 605. 2892.50. Anybody have any questions, guys? I am doing education on the GhostRider.